Are you already using artificial intelligence to create your marketing and product texts? If so, you previously had to brief the AI anew for each text creation, incorporating all relevant information about your company, your product, and your brand voice in every prompt. Once the chat was over, this information was lost, and the AI did not remember who you are and what you offer during the next text creation. The Brand Hub puts an end to this. It revolutionizes the way you will create text with AI from now on. In the Brand Hub, you can store all relevant information about your company, your product, your target group, your industry, your competitors, your SEO keywords, and other important information once, and provide this information as context to the AI at any time during text creation. In this way, the AI creates texts for you that already include all relevant information. You can individually choose which information you want to store. But you don't just want the AI to consider who you are and what your offer is during text creation. You also want the AI to create texts that sound like your brand voice. A consistent brand voice is very important to reach your target audience. Here in the Brand Hub, you can define your brand voice and automatically provide it to the AI as context information as an instruction during text creation. You simply click here to create a brand voice, choose the automatic creation of the brand voice for the fastest execution, and enter a text that is representative of your brand voice. The AI analyzes the text and creates a brand voice that will completely change the way AI generates your texts. One of the biggest strengths of the Brand Hub is that collaborative work now becomes child's play because you can share this information and brand voices here in your team, enabling all your team members to create relevant texts with AI. But where do these information and brand voices come into play now? Your information and brand voice can be activated at any level of text creation here at NeuroFlash and then influence the way the AI creates your texts. If you want to create a new text, you will see the small icon with the brand voice. Activate the brand voice you need, and from now on, the AI will send all texts it creates through the linguistic filter of this brand voice, dramatically changing the output. If you want to create text via our text types, simply enter a title and find your brand voice and the option to add the information you have provided specifically here under the More options. For my example, I would like to include the company info, the product information, and also my SEO keywords. I can determine how many text suggestions the AI should give me, determine the text length, and also select a tonality. When the AI creates this text now, it implies all the information I have selected and aligns the writing style with our brand voice that we have set up and activated. Everyone in your team becomes a content manager, a content expert through the Brand Hub, and you can continue to work on these texts together. I can see at a glance how much information has been activated here, which brand voice is active, and can now give the AI any command for creating a text, and my information will be integrated into this text. The Brand Hub dramatically changes your workflow for content creation. It enables you to create targeted, precise, and personal content that reaches your target audience. In the next video, I will show you how to manually create a brand voice and give you further examples of this application.